Bollinger Bands are one of the most staple tools in any technician's toolbox. Following a period of low volatility in the prices, these bands they tend to contract, and whenever such contraction of band occurs, it results into a Bollinger Band squeeze. Bollinger Band squeeze essentially represents a neutral situation, a neutral pattern. However, if this neutral pattern of a Bollinger Band squeeze is used along with the other tools and indicators and other piece of evidences which are present on the charts, it can help us to a great extent in capturing any major price move.
Now let us see how a Bollinger Band squeeze in real life would look like. This is a chart of State Bank of India on daily time frame, updated as on August 11, 2020. Notice how the volatility in the prices have decreased over past several weeks, which has led the bands to contract. The contraction of Bollinger Bands has led to a formation of a Bollinger Band squeeze, which, as I just said, is a neutral formation. Now, using only Bollinger Band squeeze, it is not possible to use this tool singularly and anticipate the direction of the move in the prices going ahead. However, longer the prices remain in a narrow range or with a low volatility, higher are the chances that they will show a sharp move on the either side. Now let us use some tools and try and anticipate the likely move in prices. Let us first use the Bollinger Bandwidth, which is also known as just bandwidth. It is simply the value of the upper band minus the value of the lower band. We can say that the bands are narrowing or squeezed if the bandwidth is below its levels seen over the last 6 months. So as evident here, we see that even visually the value of the width is one of the lowest over the past 6 months. However, to make it visually easy, we have plotted the 6-month moving average, and it shows that it is much below its 6-month moving average. Now the another factor that helps us anticipate the likely up move in the price is the on balance volume. The on balance volume measures the buying and selling pressure as a cumulative indicator, and it adds volume up on up days and subtracting it on the down days. Notice that while the prices are consolidating and within a squeeze, the on balance volume is in a rising trajectory. So the stock is clocking more buy volumes than the sell volumes during this time frame. If we move to examination of the classical chart pattern, let us try and zoom this. We will see a formation of a nice bullish ascending triangle here. It is seen if we join these tops and join them again with this rising bottoms. So the formation of an ascending triangle, number one. Number two, the on balance volume staying in the upward rising trajectory is indicating us that the higher probability are of the prices breaking out on the upside from this formation. However, we will need to wait for a confirmation of this. One can initiate a long positions in SBI if the prices close above the upper band. The closing of the prices above the upper band would mean that there is a probability of a breakout and higher probability of the breakout sustaining because the prices have remained in this under squeeze for a longer period of time.